We've never heard anyone mention the fact that we've had close to 12 murdered members of ours. You media don't cover it. You don't mention people who want to see change and who want to associate themselves with the party being murdered. You never report on that. You never report on the fact that, by the way, just last night, we lost 2 members who were murdered. But yet you want to paint us with a brush of violence.
Asibingelele sikwamukela, asiphuthume isihlalo uJabeni. Kwenzakalani eNingizimu Afrika? Aniklethelana amaqembu mekhalaza. Kwenzakalani ngempela ngo-IEC? Kuningi osekwenzekile u-IEC enza izinto ezingajwayelekile. U-IEC ephosela iy'nselelo zey'nqumo nayo yonke into. Kuqashwa abantu bakwamanye amazwe kuthiwa bazogada ukhetho kuleli lizwe. Kwenzakalani ngempela ngo-IEC? Sithithekile njengamanje sabahlali baseNingizimu Afrika. Ngitholile nje ubufakazi bokuthi ngempela bafethu lamaqembu akhalazayo athi ngempela lolu la kubalwa kuqalwe phansi ngoba akukhalazi ngempela kuphela iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe. Maningi amaqembu akhalazayo. Angikufakele nje nathi incwadi uzibonela amaqembu akhalazayo ukuthi mangaki. Incwadi ebhalwa amaqembu ezepolitiki ebhalwa ngomhla ka-31 ekhalaza ukuthi hayibo nakho kwenzeka izinto ezingalungile, nakho IEC singathi siyarobheka. Amaqembu akhalazayo angaphezulu ka-26. Yes. Kodwa u-IEC uthi hayi kuzoqhubeka ukukhishwa kwama-result namhlanje umhla kabani namhlanje umhla ka-2 ku-IEC uthi wona ayikho inkinga wona ama-result awakhipha. Sikuphi i-sign la ikhombisa ukuthi ukhetho lu-free and fair? Ikuphi? Why befuna ukuthi befunze abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ugovernment abangamfuni? Abantu baseNingizimu abasayifuni i-DA, abantu base-South Africa abasayifuni i-ANC. Why abantu befidwa ugovernment abangamfuni? Awubuke nanka amavidiyo. There is enough evidence ukuthi lo khetho is not free and fair. Ngizoqala nje ngama-result. Ama-result abantu basemawadini they found ukuthi ama-result ashintshiwe. ANC bihlula ibikhuphula ama-result bekhuphula ama-result, DA bihlula bekunezezela kukhuphula ama-result ehliswa amanye amaqembu. Awuthi ngikufakele nje ama-result iqala ngeqembu lomkhonto wesizwe ubone ukuthi ngempela lento it happening. Ukuveza nje ividiyo yokuqala lapho khona comparison khona ama-result aphethwe ama-party agent kuphinde comparison ama-result aveza u-IEC. Awuthi ukufakele le video.
Ayike, this is national for you. I-DA ithole ngoka-IEC 749 ngokwerekhodi esi-9 national naqaleni 33
iselokishini njalo la
Chesterville. iprovince ithole 519 ngokwerekhodi ithole 40 kuregini ithole 723 ngokwerekhodi 35.
Abantu e-South Africa baxhashazelwana. Awubuke nansi esibili video. It's not about MK ke le. Elinye lamaqembu nalo complain. Awubuke nansi video.
Melkbosstrand Country Club, we found that national, we counted 89, IEC said no, 0. On Sedgefield Primary School, we counted 41, IEC said 4. At Barnard Hall in Langeberg, we counted 35, IEC said 5. Here we've got on VD 971000883, national, we count 51, IEC said 0. On the regional one, we said 52, they said 0. At Bastion Primary School.
Let me give you more. Buka nathi.
Yabo, book MK. Sithole 1,482. Right, unational. Buka phela 73.555. All right, ANC yabo. Igepi yabo 326. Bukelake. Provincial. Ashintsha ama numbers. Okay. 1,548. Buka. Yabo. lalela-ke buka-ke hey ICC shintsha-ke manje mfana buka-ke nangu ANC egibela phezulu nenamba yakhe lapha phezulu ewubani 323 usegibelile uMK usengezansi 152 shuthe abasafaki ngale kube 1000 ba
Ngizocela ukuma kule. But there's more videos engingawafaka la because I have almost wonke ama-video. People are sharing videos to me ukuthi hey Bondodo, did you see what is happening? Why are you so quiet? Ngithi mina no, I have to get evidence. Yabo. So uyabona ukuthi ayizi uxhaphaze kanjani amaqembu amancane. If uthi into emnandi ukuthi awuxhaphaza amaqembu abantu abamnyama kuphela ngisho nabaqembu abantu abamhlophe. And abantu, I'm so surprised ukuzwa abantu bakithi abamnyama bese msigama elithi uzuma udala inkani uthi usudlama ngenasidingo uma ethi ama result awangakhishwa namhlanje. Lade ekhuluma khona uZuma izolo akuthi kudlalele nje iclip kaMamzana nje kuZuma lade echaza khona ama result awangakhishwa namhlanje ngoba vele ama result aka-IEC awekho kahle akona ama result abantu akubona akuyona into abantu abazoyikhipha into abayikhiphayo akuyona into abantu abayivotele into esuka kubona ekhanda. UZuma ukushilo ocaca izolo ukuthi ngicela ama result angakhishwa futhi akusiyo uZuma kuphela nawo wonke amaqembu acomplain even ngisho iFF bayirobhile. But I'm so surprised ukuzwa umnumzana uHlabisa ethi ama result awunankinga akuthi ngikudlalele nje ivideo kaMnumzana uHlabisa.
I don't think there should be a need for a recount because party agents were there during the counting phase. If the problem is on what is in the result slip, is not what was captured, I think the process should start there. From what I listened, to me, it made sense.
Mina nje I'm shocked about ikulumelo baba. Mina I'm shocked about ikulumelo baba lo ukuthi awukhama ngancuma ukuthi ayisiwenza umsebenzi omuhle wara kube kodwa kucacile kusobala ukuthi there's a lot going on engahambi kahle. Understand as I understand bafethu understand ukuthi ngempela kanti uma kuthiwa unemali unikeza usponsorishwe ilabantu akuthiwa abacapture inakhuzana i-state ugcina usungasaziza na ukuthi uthini ungasaziza nenkulumo ekhulumayo ukuthi le nkulumo ikhomba ukuthi udukisa abantu bakho le nkulumo ikhomba ukuthi awunandaba nabantu bakho because fana ngabe uqala yena njengamanje ofakayo isikhalazo ukuthi ngempela akwenziwe lento ekuthiwa i-recount kodwa yena usithi isidingo sokuthi i-recount ayenzeka isiyenziwa asikho. Hayi ngeke bafethu come on awuthi ngikunikeze-ke nanku-ke umholi omunye we-act ukuthi yena utheni about ama results and ikuphi nafisa kwenzeke.
Simple rigging. I'm not even saying allegations because it's factual. What we are seeing is serious fraud. In Maluti Apofu, the IEC results which they give officially are not actually the results of the result slips.
Bafethu lento lena tingazi country siyisukumele phezulu lento le. Sifaka nama complaints bafethu sibhalene incwadi zikhona indawo lapho ayisiyothi khona asingakwazi ukucomplaina khona asisebenziseni lo ma platform lezi number ngizosifaka la screen sibhalene incwadi as people of South Africa because lesson asingasho ukuthi sifuna ukulinda ukuze kuphume i-political party ethize ukuthi isilwele asibhaleni nathi incwadi nje as a South African no nabo ubufakazi mina I'm not happy about 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 it doesn't matter ukuthi kufanele sibe nesigisi esikhulu bona izincwadi ngizigolimi lwakho understandayo angazibe nesingisi uyihambise uthumela ukuthi I'm not happy funa bazi ukuthi asijabulisa ngama South Africans before sithi siyithatha sithe ku street because abantu nesebefuna ukuyisa emgwaqeni but asike sicomplain nathi sibhale incwadi ihambiseni as ama South Africans as ama citizens ukuthi no asijabulile ngama elections ngoma elections are not free and fair. Lezi zinto lezi ziphutshuka nje kanje ukuthi ke kunezinto ezingahambanga kahle endaweni ethize lento nje iyathusa ukuthi sifunza ugovernment esingamfuni ngenkani and nathi sohlala sirelate sithi no hayi so asathola ukunikezwa khona isikhathi sokuthi upset abafethu siseka sibhaleni incwadi baleni ICC siutshele IEC I mean siutshele ukuthi no IEC lento le ayikho right ayikho lento nje right ayikho nje right as a South African as a concerned South African citizens singahlali nje sithule sibukele ilizwe lethu lihamba.
regarding what happened in your VD. What voting station were you at in the city of Cape Town?
I was in Pelican Park.
Pelican Park.
Yeah.
All right. And in Pelican Park, what have you seen? Because I heard that there were votes missing.
Yeah.
That you knew this amount of votes, but the figure. Just talk to me about that one.
Oh, about that one. Concerning that votes that went missing, I was one of the counting officials there, and the votes that I counted did not go with the final counting of the votes.
Okay.
There was maybe with other parties they had maybe 3, 4, or 5. At the end of the evening, they all counted. There was nothing votes for them. So that for me was not right.
Okay. And when you say there was, you told me before there was how many votes missing for Ara?
There was a lot of votes missing for Ara because I specifically, there were 4 substations.
Yeah.
At mine, I counted 700.
Okay.
At my substation, which means there are other 3 also. So
this is in the ward. This is in the voting station.
In the voting station,
There's
yes.
4 substations.
4 substations,
you
yes.
You counted 700.
Yes, at mine.
For Ara.
Yes, at my substations, which means there are 3 other substations that also has Ara votes,
Okay.
which was not counted.
In your mind, what you saw at the substation or in the voting station, what were the totals given to the other parties?
The totals that I counted for the other parties were all 20, 40, like for instance CCC, they had my plus minus 40 ballots. The IMA, I remember had 2, and the NP, they all had a certain amount of numbers, all those, but at the end of the night, they all had naught.
At the end of the night, they had all had naught.
All have naught.
So even in that case, it's also unfair to the other
It's unfair to the other parties as well, because it was their voters, it was their right, and they took it away. They took their right away for their votes away, actually.
Okay. How much did the DA have?
The DA at the moment have 138.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is that the figure that you guys counted?
No, I didn't count that much.
Not that much.
Not that much.
In your opinion, did the DA lose in your voting station?
In my voting station, yes, they did. Yes, they did.
But the final count was.
But the final count they won. Because those other votes that went missing, in my opinion, those votes went to.
Yo, what a fraud. What a fraud, Buffett. Nekumbuli video qala ngipostile. I think it was the second video of VF Plus, if I'm not mistaken. But uthi lo sisi ube khona kule voting station. And kule voting station le amavote yena uyaconfirma usebenzela ayisilo sisi uthi uyaconfirm ukuthi yebo impela atshontshiwe amavote uthi DA bingafanele wine ile voting station yakhe. So ngokubuka kwakho bangaka ama voting station eWestern Cape enziwe into efana nale, bangaka ama voting station eSouth Africa enziwe into efana nale. Bafethu mina angazi bafethu, angazi umkhulu ubaba umongameli eJacob Zuma bekumele asho lenkulumo izolo.
We are going to need the time. Nobody must declare tomorrow. No. If that happens, people will be provoking us. Because we know what we are talking about. Yes. We are not guessing. Yeah. We know. And why should they rush to count? And I'm hoping whoever is responsible is hearing what we are saying. Don't start trouble when there is no trouble.
Ngempela bafethu, ngempela abanikeza ama political parties card sokuthi afaka ama complaints awo and ba verify ama complaints awo and kwenziwe njengoba kusiyo njengoba besho ama political, because ngempela lento lena it's part of instigating violence. I know but manje na iKZN is a tribalist province and whatsoever and da and zikuphuma statement manje kuthiwa kuboshwa abantu aba instigate violence. Mhlawumbe nathi soboshwa ngoba sikhuluma iqiniso kuthiwa bathi nathi instigate violence kanti sikhuluma ama facts kuphela. No bafethu IEC ayenza into efanele, ayilalela ama-complaints, then i-act kulowo ma-complaints, then ngeke kuqala kubonwe ukuthi ama-political party-ke athini. Because futhi yenze kahle i-MK party yaphosa inselelo indaba kalo Janet Love wakhona lo ovele osolakala ukuthi vele lento kuriga ama-results into ayijwayele vele into asuke ebizele yona ukuthi ema-countryni ukuthi akazoriga ama-results izokhoza ukuthi abantu e-countryni bangakwazi ukuthi ba-destabilize i-country nasesingisi ba-destabilize i-country. Kwenze kahle futhi MK party avulela lo Janet Love wakhona ndinicala because lento abenza South Africa bafethu ayikho right. Ufika abantu behlalele kahle ngepeace benza izinto zabo ngendlela yabo, then nina niyaqhamuka nizoxova abantu. IEC seyiphuvile kubantu ba South Africa ukuthi ngempela ayimele lento ayimele. Njengamanje kupush agenda ukuthi iDA ne-ANC aba coalition. Well, but I can't wait for that coalition ukuthi yenzeke. I can't wait for iDA ne-ANC ukuthi baye coalition. Lokho bekuchaza ukuthi ngempela kube kuveza ngokusobala ukuthi i-ANC ayisayimele abantu abamnyama, ayisayimele South Africa, isimele awusomabhizinisi laba akuthiwa ama-Oppenheimers nabo-Rupert whatsoever laba kuthiwa ba-capitalize i-state, basicontrol, basidlalisa njengophaphadoli izwe laseNingizimu Afrika.